Hello, today is the 23rd of September 2011, and welcome to today's Silver Log. And before we get into what's been going on, I want to rewind us back to last week. I know all the silver bugs are dancing across the street, opening up the champagne as the economy is going to hell in a handbasket right now. But we're going to go back in time to 7 days ago. And I was stating that we had what looked to be a failed move creating a fast move, but it wasn't that much of a fast move as the market fell from about 47 down to about $35 an ounce. And we had this nice little rally, some consolidation. We heard President Gore stating that QE4 is going to be coming. And, well, he announced that on Monday, and everything just went wild. This is what we're seeing now. Silver closing today at $133.75. Gold is over $2,000 now. It's well over $2,000. It got up to like $2,400 earlier today. The Dow Jones made new all-time highs today, getting over the 16,000 mark. And CNBC, they're not talking much about silver and gold. They're going all about how big that the stock market's doing, snarf, snarf. And I don't know why they're saying it, but that's just the way they are. We're seeing a lot of price inflation going on right now within this market. I think at McDonald's today, they raised the price of their Big Macs by $1.25. And it's their second increase of this year. So we'll keep on going over the technicals. I'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals at the end of this video, but we really did well breaking this 50 mark, which was previous resistance. Back in the summer, market didn't do too much, and it has just been skyrocketing to the upside, and so much that we're going to slow this down and take a look at the hourly line chart. This is for this week, and the moves have just been massive. This is the biggest percentage gain day we've ever had on silver, a gain of about 130% in one day. So if you're looking to say, okay, I want to sell my silver now for fiat cash, do you really want to? I've already noticed there's less people accepting the dollars right now. And not only that, but is the market done? Is this going to be the top? And I'd have to say no, especially when we go towards this next chart. This is the Fibonacci that I've been talking about for quite some time, which works within the 4 lows and the 8 highs from the start of the previous decade. And we had the first level, and I was stating that when you have a Fibonacci level, and it doesn't act as resistance support, whatever it's supposed to, it usually bursts through it. It happened here. We found resistance. Come back to support. We finally break this resistance. And then back in '08, we found resistance at the 20 level, and we fell through one, and we found support on the second Fibonacci level. Came back. We found resistance. And we broke through this, and we found resistance at the 30 level back at the start of 2011, and it didn't have that much resistance, snarf, snarf. Instead, what happened is it pulled back just a little bit, and we came up to this 50 level a few months ago, consolidated for a little bit, and a major breakout. But notice that it burst right through this key Fibonacci level here of 78, and this one here is at 120. It's just skyrocketing through that 120, and the next one after this is actually 190. And I really wouldn't be surprised if we see 190 before the end of September. That's the way things have been going. So anyway, moving on to what's going on to the fundamentals. As I was saying, President Al Gore decided on QE4. That's what has sparked all of this inflation, all of these major gains right now. And what's going on right now is they are stating that Muslim terrorists have attacked our imagination. And it's unimaginable how bad it is going to be. It's only a matter of time before our imaginations run wild, and it seems as if that they want to nuke the imagination. So basically, that's what President Gore said today. He's super serial about nuking our imagination. And I think if he's successful in doing so, we most likely will retrace 50% and come back down to maybe the 60 level if he's serial, I should say, about nuking our imagination and successful about doing it through Project Imagination Doorway. Snarf, snarf. It's going to be very interesting because a lot's going on. There's people stating that the Mayan calendar now ends in like 5 weeks. Some still say that it's going to end in 2012, and some still don't even believe it. There's a lot going on. We've seen how Vice President Kurt Russell was raped by Christmas critters. There's a lot of things that are going on right now, and it's time to take this serious. We're seeing the economy totally get destroyed, but the gold market's going higher, the silver market's going higher also. And I'd like to thank you for watching this video. This video was inspired by South Park Season 11, Episode 10 to 12 of Imagination Land. Take care.